If there's one thing I wish I did differently when I first started collecting email addresses, is that I wish I paid more attention to my opt-in form. You know, that form you ask people to fill in to get that freebie, that discount code, or just to join your mailing list. The truth is, having your opt-in form built correctly from the start is the smartest thing you can do for yourself, because that's how you unlock the real magic in email marketing. This gig will help you get a deeper understanding of who's reading and engaging with your emails by putting them in their relevant buckets. I do this all on Flodesk, as it's the most intuitive and affordable email marketing tool built with creators in mind. Hey there, I'm Rox. Although new to Fiverr, I've been successfully freelancing for the past 5 years and I have over 150 5-star reviews. I'm super passionate about helping creators master their email marketing, as it's such a powerful way to build a community around your offer. This gig is perfect for creators starting their journey on email marketing or creators bringing a new product to market. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a message. And if you're ready to get started, I'm so excited to work with you.